Right, everyone's doing alright. Just a quick video, kind of another look at mistletoe bird lime again. Now, I don't encourage this method of trapping, but if it was a survival situation and it was absolutely life or death, then you know it would be warranted to try this. There is people in the world who still do this, but it's quite a cruel way of trapping things. Similar to glue boards, is a bit, you know, cruel really. But if it was a survival situation, then yeah. So there's lots of kind of recipes for mistletoe, for bird lime, which are quite kind of vague or weird to follow, and people say they've done it, but I've never seen proof of it, if you know what I mean. So I've seen a couple for using mistletoe. Now one involves chewing it up, which I'm not doing. Another one involves crushing it, and another one I've heard of is crushing it and heating it up, which I may try that. I think the last time we tried it, we did it just by crushing them. So I think this time we'll try it crushing it and heating them. Now they are, look at that, very, very sticky. See that? You can see that hanging off my hand already. Like a sticky string. Very, very sticky. That's just normal mistletoe berries. Just going to squash them up a bit. Going to get them off, these leaves off of it. Just going to get myself a bigger crusher, crush it up a bit. Really see that coming together and how sticky it is. You can see how sticky it's become now. And to be honest, I think if you smeared that on a stick, even as it is, that'll probably attract birds and catch them. Well, I've got a feather here just to see, so I don't know how strong a bird's going to be, but the feather will stick to it. So we'll try and do a bit heating it up and see what happens. So I've got it in here now. Heat this up a bit. It looks like heating it up might make a difference, because we've now got this kind of different kind of substance on here now. It's a lot more kind of thick. It's a lot thicker. I would assume that most of the time any of these kind of green bits people probably took out, got all these little green bits off of it and just had the whatever the inside is. Yeah, it's come out like a I don't know how you describe it. Almost like glue. I've lost the feather now, but never mind. But I think heating it up may make a difference. Anyway, just thought to show you that. Bird lime out of mistletoe. Cheers for watching. I'll see you later.